Good morning, student. Now, energy flow in an ecosystem. After complete the biogeochemical cycle in energy flow in an ecosystem, now start the carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. In biogeochemical cycle, we know that there are two most important components present in environment. That is a biotic factor and abiotic factor, and how the flow of that chemical, of that nutrient from abiotic factors to biotic factor, means from environment to different living organism, from environment to plant, from this plant to animals, different types of consumer, and from that consumers to decomposer, and from this decomposer now these nutrients, these chemicals again enters into the atmosphere. That is known as biogeochemical cycle. Then after complete the carbon cycle, we know that carbon is present in atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is necessary for the process of photosynthesis in a plant. How this carbon dioxide pass from atmosphere to plant, from this plant to animals, from these animals to decomposer, and again from this decomposer to environment. That is known as carbon cycle. Similarly, nitrogen cycle is also one of the most important cycle in environment, in a ecosystem, in atmosphere, in environment. Now, in case of nitrogen cycle, similar as that of carbon cycle, nitrogen is present in atmosphere. Carbon is present in atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide. Similarly, nitrogen is present in atmosphere in the form of various type of compound. Compound of nitrogen, that is a N2. It is a compound of nitrogen. When two nitrogen atom combines together to form a molecules of nitrogen, and nitrogen is present in atmosphere. 78% nitrogen is present in atmosphere. 78%. And then this nitrogen enter from environment to living organism. From environment to living organism means from abiotic factors to biotic factor. From atmosphere, from environment to plant, from living organism, plant to animals, animals to decomposer, and again from that decomposer to atmosphere, from biotic to abiotic to biotic factor, and from these biotic factors to abiotic factor. That flow of this nitrogen in the form of various type of compound, that process is known as nitrogen cycle. That is a nitrogen cycle. Then how this nitrogen cycle occurs in environment? Now there are two most important processes in that nitrogen cycle, that is known as nitrogen fixation. First important process, and second most important process, that is known as biological process. Nitrogen fixation, that is a physical process, and second biological process, that is known as ammonification, nitrification and denitrification. These are known as biological process. Nitrogen fixation is known as physical process. These are two most important process in nitrogen cycle. Now start the physical process of that nitrogen cycle and then biological process of that nitrogen cycle. Now in physical process, that is known as nitrogen fixation. How this nitrogen fixation occurs in living organism, in atmosphere, in ecosystem, in environment. Those nitrogen present in atmosphere, in environment, during lightning, now these nitrogen get oxidized and after oxidation of this nitrogen, it converts into various oxide. It converts into various oxide, and these oxide mix in a water, in a rainwater. And when these oxides mix in rainwater, this rainwater comes on ground. This rainwater mix in water, mix in soil, release in soil. And when this rainwater release in soil, now these oxides of nitrogen mix in a soil. Oxides of nitrogen mix in soil. There are different types of bacteria present in soil, and by that bacteria, various types of bacteria present in soil, and by this bacteria, this nitrogen again converted into various oxide. For example, NO2, for example, NO3, for example, NH4, ammonia, nitrite, nitrate. These are known as various types of fertilizers of the plant, and these fertilizers are formed by various types of bacteria. Those bacteria which are mixed freely present in a soil, then that process is known as nitrogen fixation. It is a physical process, natural process, physical process, fixation of nitrogen. And in fixation of nitrogen, nitrogen is converted into various fertilizers, nitrate, nitrite and ammonia. It is one of the physical process that is known as fixation of nitrogen. And second types of fixation of nitrogen, those nitrogen present in atmosphere, this nitrogen mix in soil, and again absorption of this nitrogen by various bacteria, those bacteria which are present in root nodules of green plant. If you observe the root nodules of green plant, on root surface of that green plants, small globular structure is present, that is known as root nodules. And in that root nodules, presence of some bacteria, that is known as rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. And by that bacteria, fixation of this nitrogen, and this nitrogen is converted into nitrate and nitrite directly. That is a nitrogen fixation. This nitrogen fixation is carried out by rhizobium bacteria. Those rhizobium bacteria present in root nodules of green plant. That is a nitrogen fixation. Then entry of this nitrogen into plant. Nitrogen is converted into various fertilizer, nitrate and nitrite, and this nitrate and nitrite enters into the plant. That is known as flow of this nitrogen from environment to plant, from abiotic to biotic factors. Then now different herbaceous animals depends on this plant. Herbaceous animals depends on this plant. Means herbaceous animal eaten the various plant, grass, various plant, different types of plant. And at that time, now these nitrogen, compounds of this nitrogen enters into the herbaceous animals, primary consumer. Again, carnivorous animals depends on herbaceous animals, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, top consumer. Now these depends on herbaceous animals, and similarly now this nitrogenous compound enter from herbaceous animals into carnivorous animals. Then after date of that carnivorous animals and herbaceous animals, now different types of decomposer, various fungus, various bacteria depend on that carnivorous animals, on that herbaceous animals. And at the same process, those nitrogenous compound present in herbaceous animal, those nitrogen compound present in carnivorous animal, now this nitrogen enters into the bacteria. These are known as decomposer. those bacteria present in soil, those decomposer present in soil. By that decomposition of that herbaceous animals, dead body of that herbaceous animal, decomposition of dead bodies of carnivorous animals. At the same times, those nitrogen present in herbaceous animals and carnivorous animals, compound of this nitrogen enters into the bacteria. That is known as flowering of bacteria.